Switchblade, somebody said I'm holding your hand. Somebody said I'm holding your hand, and they said you their nephew. They said you their nephew there, come on.
Hey, look, ModSquad, find out who it is and play it back. Find out who it is and play it back for him, ModSquad, will you?
Yeah, who that? Who's that uncle? Who's Switchblade's uncle, man? Who is that?
Now, when you get off the lawn, when you find out, you let him hear what I'm doing to him. ModSquad, Switchblade got down, good, got it all.
I don't know who that was, Switchblade. I don't know who that was there, Switchblade. Take it, Switchblade. I'll find out, though. Who is Switchblade's uncle, ModSquad God now?
When you find out, play it back on YouTube. When you find out who it is, play it back. Play it back on YouTube so he can know that his nephew ain't letting play this squad. That's it. Down on your later, ModSquad.
I think that's BigAl. I think that's BigAl. I heard of BigAl. That might be BigAl, but he ain't got it. What you got there? Take it, BigAl. Hey, BigAl, your nephew be tough, ModSquad God.
You tell BigAl I love him, but I'll whoop his big ass. You tell BigAl I love him, but I'll whoop his big ass. Tell him what I say. Switchblade got down.
Hey, Switchblade, you love BigAl, you love your uncle BigAl, but you're still gonna whip him. You're still gonna whip him, ModSquad God now.
I say it, ModSquad. Put this on YouTube. I love my uncle BigAl. I love BigAl, but I'm gonna whoop his big ass. They kill him. Switchblade got down.
Right there, Switchblade. Hey, Switchblade, is this what you said, Switchblade? Bye, bye, bye. Got it all, got it all, got it all, Switchblade, got it all, man. I think BigAl is out there, man. When you're on key, I can hear a little bit of BigAl left behind there, ModSquad, Honolulu.
I'm gonna stand by. That's my favorite uncle. That's my favorite uncle. I'm gonna stand by. Squad, Switchblade, sit up.
Hey, BigAl, you take care, BigAl. Hey, BigAl, you take care, man. You have a good one also, BigAl, ModSquad, Honolulu.
Wait a minute, Squad. Did you tell him I was gonna stand by? Did you tell him that Murphy's gonna stand by, breaker?
I missed that part. Hey, BigAl, Switchblade gonna stand by, BigAl. Switchblade standing by, come on.
Now, this one man still out here. Hey, 28. Now, this one man still out here.
I don't think, he said, I think something about you don't have to stand by. I think he said something like you don't have to stand by. Take care there, Switchblade. Hey, bye, MedicineMan. You passing by too, ModSquad guy.
28.
Bye, MedicineMan. ModSquad Mobile. Say you have a good night too now. MedicineMan, ModSquad Mobile. Bye, BigAl. Aloha.
Bye night.
Right there, BigAl. Right there, BigAl. You take care, man. Your nephew went 10-7 too there. Hey, BigAl, your nephew went 10-7. ModSquad gone.
Well, here you go, 10-7 to call for me. That's got me to show. Put it down on your later, Mars. Hey, 20.
Right back, BigAl. Right back, BigAl. You take care, man. You smoking too, man. Hey, BigAl, you smoking downtown. ModSquad gone. Hey, BigAl, just like this. I'll see you, BigAl, ModSquad Honolulu.
I ain't even looking at Honolulu. I wasn't even looking at over there in Hawaii.
Hey, BigAl, you said you're not looking at Honolulu, BigAl, but you're coming in here, man. Hey, BigAl, listen to this, man. Bye, BigAl.
Hey, tell BigAl, that fuse is like a booty hole. Everybody got one. Hey, ModSquad,
He keyed there. I think he can hear you, eh? Hey, you guys can hear each other. Hey, take care there. Hey, Switchblade, BigAl, ModSquad, Honolulu. You tell my uncle you pointing at New York City. All right, SwitchBlade, you take care. Hey, BigAl, take care, BigAl. BigAl ModSquad say, point it to the mini grass. Aloha.
Hey, ModSquad, who you talking to, man? Hey, ModSquad,
Right there, SwitchBlade, BigAl. I heard Johnny B, I'm talking to SwitchBlade and BigAl. Hello, Johnny B, ModSquad, right back. Aloha. You said they should be in bed right now. Hey, Johnny B, you said they should be in bed right now, Johnny B. Hello, Johnny B, ModSquad, right back. Aloha.
Yeah, they supposed to be in the bed. It's their bedtime tonight, so yeah. But anyway, you sounding real good too, man. Got that thing down all by yourself. Take care, ModSquad. I just want to put them in bed, no doubt about it. ModSquad, those Johnny B in the Mega Squad.
Right there, Johnny B, right there. You doing it too, Johnny B. Check it. Bye, Johnny B, ModSquad. Bye, Johnny B.
ModSquad, you take care of him, good. ModSquad, that's driver number one, no doubt about it. ModSquad, those Johnny B in the Mega, can't stop.
Right back, Johnny B. Your driver. Check out your driver, man. Bye, Johnny B. You guys have a good one, man, as you work that driver. Bye, SwitchBlade. Bye, BigAl. ModSquad Mobile, cruising Honolulu. Bye. I got it all, Johnny B. Got it all, man. Got it all, Johnny B. You smoking, Johnny B. Take care, Johnny B. ModSquad, Mobile gone. Aloha.
All by yourself. Hey, ModSquad, I'm gonna get around here so you can let your people go. I'm gonna go so you can let your people go. Take care, ModSquad. Mobile, those Johnny B in the Mega, can't stop.
All by yourself right there too there, Johnny B. All by yourself. Johnny B, take care, ModSquad, Mobile, gone again. Aloha. Hello, BigAl, you can do it there, BigAl, come on, BigAl, aloha. Bye, BigAl. You take care, BigAl. You're working there too in Honolulu, man. Have a good one, BigAl, and the rest of the Good Time Gang. Be ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu. Right back. Aloha. BigAl, you're going 10-7 there, BigAl. That's what you said. You're going 10-7. Bye, BigAl. Right there, MedicineMan. You too have a good one there, MedicineMan. Take them on care, MedicineMan, ModSquad, MedicineMan, ModSquad got you now. Aloha. Right there, Uncle Sam. I go wave at Uncle Sam too there. Hello, Uncle Sam. Hello, Uncle Sam. ModSquad gone.
Hey, ModSquad, tell Uncle Sam we all love him. Tell Uncle Sam we all love him.
Bye, Johnny B. You said everybody can hear Uncle Sam. Take care, Johnny B. Take care, Uncle Sam, Johnny B. ModSquad right back. I'm cruising Honolulu. Aloha.
Hello, good morning. Hey, ModSquad, tell Uncle Sam.
Hey, Uncle Sam, you worked it right there, Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam, you working it. You up in front right there, Uncle Sam. Take it, Uncle Sam, ModSquad, Honolulu.